Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Iman. I'm Iman.
Hi, Iman. Hi, everyone. I'm Inaya. I'm so happy to be here.
Me too. Today, we will learn how to introduce ourselves. This is very important for daily English conversation.
Yes, many learners want to learn English, but they feel shy. Oh no, they don't know how to start.
That's true. But don't worry. Today, we will do easy English conversation practice.
Wow, that sounds great. This is perfect for English for beginners.
Yes, this is an English learning podcast for beginners. We will help you learn English step by step.
And we will speak slowly so you can do English listening practice easily.
Exactly. Let's start with something simple. Your name.
Oh, easy. My name is Inaya.
Great. Now listen and repeat. My name is Iman.
Repeat. My name is Inaya.
Say it with me. My name is...
Wow, so simple. Really, this is easy English.
Yes, very easy. Now let's ask a question. What is your name?
Repeat. What is your name?
Good. Now answer. My name is...
I like this practice. It is good for English speaking practice.
Exactly. Now let's talk about country.
Oh, nice. I am from India.
I am from Bangladesh.
Wow, that's interesting.
Now listen and repeat. I am from Bangladesh.
I am from India.
Say it with me. I am from...
Good. Now question. Where are you from?
Repeat. Where are you from?
Answer. I am from...
Very good. You are learning fast.
Wow, I feel happy.
Now let's talk about age.
Oh, okay. I am 22 years old.
I am 25 years old.
Nice.
Listen and repeat. I am 25 years old.
I am 22 years old.
Say it with me. I am years old.
Question time. How old are you?
Repeat. How old are you?
Answer. I am years old.
Wow, that was easy.
Yes, very easy English.
Now let's talk about work or study.
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
Wow, really? That's nice.
Thank you. Now listen and repeat. I am a teacher.
I am a student.
Say it with me. I am a... Good.
Question. What do you do?
Repeat. What do you do?
Answer. I am a student.
Very nice.
This is perfect for English listening practice.
Yes, and also English speaking practice. Now let's talk about family.
Oh, I like this topic.
Me too.
I have a small family. I have my father, my mother, and one brother.
Wow, nice. I have a big family. I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 sister.
Really? Big family.
Yes.
Listen and repeat. I have a small family.
I have a big family.
Say it with me. I have...
Question. Do you have a big family?
Repeat. Do you have a big family?
Answer. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Wow, that's great practice.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Me too. Now let's talk about hobbies.
Oh, I love hobbies. My hobby is reading books. I also like listening to music.
Nice. My hobby is playing football. I also like watching videos.
Wow, that's fun.
Listen and repeat. My hobby is reading.
My hobby is playing.
Say it with me. My hobby is...
Question. What is your hobby?
Repeat. What is your hobby?
Answer. My hobby is...
Very good.
I like this English learning podcast.
Me too. Now let's talk about favorite things.
Oh, I like this. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza.
Nice. My favorite color is black. My favorite food is biryani.
Wow, biryani. I love it.
Me too. Listen and repeat. My favorite color is blue.
My favorite food is pizza.
Say it with me. My favorite is...
Question. What is your favorite food?
Repeat. What is your favorite food?
Answer. My favorite food is...
Very good.
This is very useful.
Yes, this is easy English conversation for beginners. Now let's talk about something we don't like.
Oh no, I don't like spicy food.
Really? I love spicy food.
That's funny.
I don't like waking up early.
Oh no, I wake up early every day.
Wow, that's great. Listen and repeat. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like waking up early.
Say it with me. I don't like.
Question. What do you not like?
Repeat. What do you not like?
Answer. I don't like...
Wow, this is real English conversation.
Yes, and very useful for daily life.
Now imagine, you meet a new person.
Oh, like at school.
Yes, or at work.
Okay, let's try.
Hi, my name is Iman.
Hi, my name is Inaya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Wow, that was a full conversation.
Yes, so simple.
Wow, that was interesting.
Oh, okay, let me tell you more about myself.
Yes, go ahead. This is great English conversation practice.
My name is Inaya. I am 22 years old. I am from India. I live in Delhi.
Wow, very clear. Very nice introduction.
Thank you. I am a student. I have a small family. I have my father, my mother, and one brother.
That's great. Simple and easy English.
My hobby is reading books. I also like listening to music.
Nice. Good hobbies.
My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza.
Wow, that sounds good.
I don't like spicy food.
I remember that. Very interesting. Now I will introduce myself again. Listen carefully. My name is Iman. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Chattagram.
Very good. Clear and simple.
I am a teacher. I have a big family. I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 sister.
Wow, big family.
My hobby is playing football. I also like watching videos.
That's fun.
My favorite color is black. My favorite food is biryani.
Biryani again.
Yes, I love it. I don't like waking up early.
Oh no, that's funny.
Now let's do a quick recap.
Yes, good idea.
When you introduce yourself, you can say,
My name is...
I am years old.
I am from...
I live in...
I am a student. Or I am a teacher.
I have a small family. Or I have a big family.
My hobby is...
My favorite food is...
I don't like...
Wow, these are very useful sentences.
Yes, this is daily English conversation.
And this is perfect for English for beginners.
Now let's practice again. Speak with us. My name is...
I am from.
I am a...
My hobby is.
My favorite food is...
I don't like.
Very good.
Wow, you are learning English step by step.
Yes, keep going. Practice every day.
Don't be shy. Speak out loud.
This is the best way to learn English.
Listening and speaking together.
Exactly. This is English listening practice and English speaking practice.
You can learn English easily with daily practice.
Yes, just a few minutes every day.
Small steps, big progress.
Wow, I like that.
Me too.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, tell us about yourself.
Write in the comments.
Tell me about yourself.
Use simple English.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Really, mistakes help you learn.
If you like this English learning podcast,
Please like this video
subscribe to English with Iman.
and share with your friends
Let's learn English together.
every day.
See you in day 2.
Bye.